Hello. I stumbled upon KineMaster earlier this year, and it has become a staple tool in my armory, both for work and play. Here's a quick look under the hood. When you first launch the video editor app, you're invited to venture down the new users route, which guides you through the basics of adding media to a new project. After the first time, I just skipped this though and went straight to the main new project view. If you already have a number of projects created, you will see these in a horizontally scrolling list first, before you decide you wish to create a new project by hitting the little plus icon. When creating a new project, you can choose to view all photos and videos on your device from the myriad of folders you may have, or you can elect to just view the video clips. This suits various uses. If you want to create a photo slideshow with music, you can do so easily. With all your clips selected, you simply order them in your timeline as you would with any other editing app. Long press and hold a clip to shift or delete it. Hit the Add Media icon to reel in new content, add music from your device, or add a theme to your video, which includes pre-made animation effects. However, you can also capture content on the spot to add to your video, so this could be video or photos from your camera, or even audio. This means you can record voiceovers and commentary atop the on-screen action in real time. To edit, you just tap a specific clip, and you're presented with a number of options. You can raise, lower the hue, brightness or saturation on a specific part, trim it down, add titles, lower, increase the volume, control the speed, add effects, transitions, and more. You can also give your video a color makeover, or convert it to black and white. In terms of exporting, you can do so in low quality, 640x360, high definition, 1280x720, or full HD, 1920x1080, direct to Facebook, Google+, YouTube, Google Drive, Dropbox, and any other compatible apps via the general share button. You will also no doubt be curious about the costs. The good news is KineMaster is completely free to use, however, you will have to tolerate a KineMaster watermark on all your videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, share with your friend, and let me know what you use to edit video in the comments.